I always like to start my sewing year by working on scrap fabric. I had a bunch of scrap fabric from a bag I made for a friend, so I thought I'd make it into a card case wallet. Make a paper pattern so it's easier to figure out how much fabric or scrap fabric you need to make the card case. I just used scrap black fabric for the inside of the case. Sew the pieces together and compare it to your pattern. Then iron on fusible interfacing. Once you're done ironing, clean up the sides. Cut out the curve to the front flap if you want. Prepare the inner lining and add the Velcro for the inner flap. Then combine the outer side and the lining together. Make sure to leave a space so you can flip it. Make sure to also snip on the sides or the corners before you flip the combined fabric. I like to reduce the sides to make it less bulky. Now flip the joined fabric. You can use your scissor to flatten the far-reaching corners. Iron before you close the open side. Then sew in the Velcro for the inner flap. Then sew on the sides to finish. It's so easy to make, I decided to make another one for another set of cards.